Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your Bitcoin transfer on your Cash App isn't working, whether it is stuck, pending, or failing entirely, or just won't go through. I'll walk you through a few simple steps so it can be fixed. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So, before we jump into the solution, here is what usually causes the problem. First, you try sending less than 0001 Bitcoin or didn't leave enough extra for the miner fees, which cannot complete the Cash App transaction. Okay? In this scenario, try to add a little more because the transaction itself will cost some amount in fees. Next, the transaction fee was set too low for current Bitcoin network traffic. So your transaction got dropped into the mempool and never confirmed. Sometimes that can happen for days. Third reason, your Cash App account isn't verified yet, so it leaves you with low transfer limits. Cool. For example, $250 per week, so by default bigger transactions get rejected or flagged for review. Next problem, or the next issue, you have an outdated Cash App version with old bugs and updates, which can block Bitcoin code by design. So many users have already reported that just by doing a clean update, they're fixing a lot of Bitcoin transfer-related issues they had were fixed, so you can also give that a try. Next, Cash App was undergoing internal service delay or outage, which paused the cryptocurrency features temporarily. So, these are the main reasons that might cause the issue with your Bitcoin transfer. So first, close the Cash App application completely. Then go to your Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using. And inside Play Store or App Store, simply find Cash App and completely update that to the latest version. And then simply log into Cash App, go to your Bitcoin section and see if the issue is resolved or not. Next, now try to clear the cache from the Cash App application. So hold down on the application, then go to App Info, and then scroll down and click on Clear Cache, and then hit OK. And then you can go back and again try to open the application and see if the issue is fixed or not. And even after that, if the issue isn't fixed, simply open a browser and search for statuscache.app. Let me show you. So simply go to a browser and search status. As you can see, this is the link that you have to visit. Now here you can simply see if all the servers are working or not, like servers for receiving and sending money, cash cards, cash pay, deposits. The main thing that you'll look for is Bitcoin. And as you can see, Bitcoin is running. But as you can see in my current area, there are a few login issues, which you can see here. So if you see Bitcoin here and it is checked, that means Cash App is working and the network isn't the issue for you. And lastly, the last thing that you can do is contact the support team of Cash App if nothing works. So if a transaction disappears, fails, or gets cancelled, make sure to take a screenshot that builds of your entire issue, including the transfer number. And then simply click on the profile at the top right corner and scroll down a little bit. Here, you will have the option of support. Click on that. Then you should be able to contact the support team in the chat section below here. So that's it. You have just learned how to fix Bitcoin transfer on Cash App. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.